How you doing? It's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories here in Margate, Florida. As you know, I'm still suffering from the Bell's palsy, so you know what? I don't care if I look a little funky. Let's have fun with it, all right? What do I got here? Well, I got the Retrax Pro Electric. That's right. You know how much I love those electric covers? I think they're darn cool. I got one on my truck, and I just find it on the RamBox to be one of the most useful ways of doing this. Because as you know, a lot of times you have to reach over the RamBox to open the cover, but guess what? Not with this sucker. Look at that. Boy, is that sweet. I love that thing right there, huh? Nice and easy. It has a little light in there as well. I mean, and of course, if you have this truck, you have all the gizmos on here. Again, this is the new 5th generation Ram. This is the RamBox with the multi-function tailgate. Now, of course, people are going to ask me, does the RamBox work with the cover? Well, of course it does, if it was unlocked. There we go. I can see no problem whatsoever. Works really well. And again, if you look inside there, you see the drainage system. We did not make new holes. We just used existing factory holes. And you do have room underneath the canister. I know a lot of people ask about that. The canister is a little bigger, but it's not too bad. Now this is the PowerTrax. This is going to have a 3-year manufacturer warranty. And if we do the installation for you like we have done with this, guess what? Truck Hero, who owns Retrax, is doubling the warranty from 3 to 6 years. Isn't that great? So you got some great coverage. And again, if you notice here, the rails on here are still in there. We did not remove them. Sometimes in some setups you do have to remove them. Not on this one. This does have an extra rail that has to go on top, and then this rail attaches to it. Now you look here, there's a really good seal along there, which is going to help with the water. Now as you can see, there's raining on this truck because it was just raining. This is not going to be a waterproof cover. None of the covers are waterproof. They're water resistant, or weather resistant, as I like to call them. So you might see a small amount of water in this. If you put this on, you're like, oh, I got a little bit of water, you're not going to freak out. It's just because that's how they all are. Now, being a RamBoxes do have a tendency to leak a little more, and same with the multi-function tailgate, but it's still not too bad. And again, I love this remote. Boy, is this easy. If he lifts his truck up, he wants to go nice and tall, this is going to make life so much easier. And the reason I close it, I want to show you the, of course you want to say, well, does the, oh, let's try again. There we go. Oh. There we go. Now we got, have to slam it a little harder. Okay, I just want to show you that the multi-function tailgate does work. Unfortunately, he got a little accident over here. That's not from me. And it did tilt the tailgate a little bit, but we were able to still do the install, no problem whatsoever. As you can see, everything works really quite nice. Let's go ahead and open her back up. How is that for convenient? Now, if you let go of your hand, I'll put my little remote here, I'll show you here. You got your open, your close, and your light. So there's your light. Now you hit your close, and if I let go of it, it stops. Little safety feature there. So as you can see, it works really smooth. And it's not too loud. It's, I would say, decimal, it's pretty low. So again, it's a great thing. Now, when you do these, make sure you do not lubricate the rails. This is a closed system, so you do not ever put WD-40 in there or any kind of lubrication in case you get this. Now, you say, you know what, Chris, I want to get this. I don't live in Florida. What am I going to do? That's not a problem. As you know, if you call the store, which I do put the phone number to the store on the top of the video as well as the website, you can call us up. We can ship it anywhere in the country for you. And the nice thing about buying it from us, if you have questions, we can help you. We do the installation here. A lot of places that sell this, because as you know, we're not the only ones selling it, do not know how to install that. Now you think to yourself, that's no big deal. I got directions. Let me tell you something. When you get those directions, sometimes they don't answer all your questions. There's some vague stuff on it. It's nice to be able to pick up the phone and say, hey, I bought this cover from you, Chris. Can you help me? And I'm going to say, yes. Now, if you call up and say, hey, I didn't buy the cover from you. I bought it from some guy who doesn't know anything about this cover. Can you help me? No. I mean, you didn't buy it from me. So you got to buy it from me. It doesn't cost more to buy it from us. We're not charging you more to have us. It's the same price. So you're getting benefits of buying it from us. And of course, if we do the installation for you, guess what? That double warranty on this is with the installation. We do not charge extra for it. As long as you pay for the installation, we'll take the 3-year warranty, make it 6 years. Isn't that great? Having an extra 3 years that you didn't pay for. Now, as you know, you go to Brandsmark or anywhere else, you want to extend the warranty? That'd be $100. That'd be $75. That'd be whatever. We're giving it to you as long as you just do the regular installation. I mean, that's the benefit of buying from us. You got us. It's really important. And again, if you like what you see, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Again, that don't cost you anything. We appreciate it. And now, you know, look at me, you got to do it for me. I don't feel so good. Just kidding. I really don't care about this. And hopefully it doesn't make you guys too upset. I'm a little funky. But guess what? Bell's Palsy is what I have. Doesn't last forever. So eventually my videos will go back to looking like me. But I got to do the video. What am I supposed to do if I don't do the video, right? So again, this is the electronic Retrax. This is the Pro. The Pro is the old metal one. Holds 500 pounds. That's going to hold a lot of weight. It looks good, as strong as it can be. All in all, just a terrific thing, and I can't not help myself. I got to do it one more time. Look at that. It's so much fun. You know, it really is. And of course, when you got the cool tailgate on this, which you're putting on all the trucks and stuff, I mean, it's so convenient. I love this setup. And oh, by the way, as you can see, this does not interfere with the cover or anything. A lot of people ask about that. So all in all, you can't beat this. Again, we'll ship it anywhere in the country. You can call us at the store, ask for John, who's behind the camera. As you know, he's our camera guy, the world famous John. So, and of course, I'm the guy behind the camera with the funky face. Again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories doing a review on the new RamBox Multi Function Tailgate PowerTrax Pro with MX. Thanks.